This is why you need Dyson's OnTrac headphones in your life. Customizable, powerful, and sleek. Dyson's OnTrac headphones are here, and they're changing the game. With over 2,000 possible color combinations, you can mix and match ear cushions and outer ear cups to suit your style. It's personalization like never before. But it's not just about the looks. The OnTrac boasts best-in-class noise cancellation with an 8-microphone system so you can kiss ambient noise goodbye. And with up to 55 hours of battery life, these headphones will keep you grooving longer than most competitors. The 40mm drivers deliver a frequency range from 6 Hz to 21,000 Hz, ensuring powerful bass and crisp highs. Plus, the speakers are angled for direct audio delivery, giving you an immersive sound experience. Connect via Bluetooth with support for SBC, AAC, and LHDC codecs, or go wired with a 3.5mm to USB-C adapter. The Dyson OnTrac headphones are the perfect blend of style and performance. Ready to customize your audio experience? Check them out now.